Hi friend, Marian here. So the success principles by Jack Canfield. So we are at principle number 61. Give more to get more. So yung number 60 is to spend more, first make more. Ito naman, give more to get more. So principles number 60, Jack Canfield's talk about tithing. So sa Chickens for the Soul organization, sabi niya, nagsishare sila nung 10% ng earnings ng book through mga may Habitat for Humanity, Make-A-Wish Foundation, mga children, mga non-profit organization. So, sinasabi niya is, give more to get more. If we want to have more blessings, we have to give or tithings nga. So, sabi nga ng Malakay, 3 verse 10. So, sa Malakay 3 verse 10, bring the full tithes into the storehouse, that there may be food for my house, and thereby put it on the test, says the Lord of hosts. If I will not open the windows of heaven for you and your house, for you are overflowing blessings. So parang sinasabi ni Malakay, no, we have to bring to the Lord, yung sabi nga yung first harvest natin, yung 10%, so that we can be blessed more. So parang medyo difficult yan. Sometimes we think that eto lang ina-earn ko, paano ko makakabwes? So sabi ni Jack Canfield, there are different kinds of tithing. So aside from the financial tithing, meron ding time tithing, so yung volunteering. So meron ding talent, no? We share our talent. So there's no excuse for us na hindi to share what we have to others. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something today from Jack Canfield. See you on our next video.